Hey, what's up, beardsmen and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And before I move on, I just want to say thank you to El Supremo and Entity Pomade for sending me out their very first, ever, brand and product collaboration, not just for the year 2020, but like I've said, ever. So, we got a chance to try them out, and no, I did try them out and test it out, and that's why I'm here. So I can share my thoughts. Excuse me. I can share my thoughts about what I've experienced with the product, or is it worth it, or you get the idea. And to say the least, I knew about their collaboration way before the inception of the product. And in my opinion, I just want to add that they really started the year with a bang. And their product collaboration is inspired by this year's Year of the Rat. Yes, Metal Rat to be precise or specific. And it is a limited edition release of only 100 tubs, and by the time this video is out, they're probably almost sold out or sold out already. So we're here to find out if this product is worth it or not. And if you've been here long enough, you know that I did a full product review with the Entity Pomade, and I started already with El Supremo's full line of products. If you haven't watched that, make sure to watch it after this video. And their product collaboration is called the Supreme Entity. And let's talk about specs. El Supremo and Entity Pomades, the Supreme Entity collaboration comes in a 100-gram regular black tub and some nice artwork on the top side. You can see the Rat King, yes, with a crown on a throne with the Entity Pomade's trident logo. And on the sides, more information about the product, matte cream instructions, caution, ingredients, and the hold and shine scale. So if you notice, what I got here is a 70-gram black tub, but don't get me wrong, this is the real deal. You only get this if you're a reseller or you're an affiliate barbershop. And the ones that are available out there are sold in a 100-gram black tub, just like I've mentioned. And the Supreme Entity is water-based matte cream, or dry paste as I would like to call it. It offers a firm hold with a matte finish that gives you a high texture and high volume hairstyle. And you can get it for only 580 pesos. And the scent on these, the Supreme Entity is Sweet Rose. And you can definitely get a whiff or a hint of sweetness in there, but I can't say that it's masculine or manly. I'd say it's very unique or unisex if we're talking about perfume. But it's good, I like it. It's a bit strong, but it's not overpowering or or a turn off. And looking inside the product, there's nothing much special about it. It has kaolin clay. Maybe that's where it gets its color, the white sandy kind of color. And scooping out the product, it's buttery smooth. There's no effort needed at all. And spreading it in your hand, you can feel a little bit of dryness with the product. It spreads out easily. It's neither tacky nor greasy, which I'm wondering how they get that kind of consistency and texture, which is very impressive. So there you go, you got a quick look or a taste of what's to come. And next thing I'm gonna do, of course, application and styling. And take note with this one, I did blow dry my hair before applying the product, but you'll see it anyway. But the thing I'm concerned about is it's not indicated in the instructions that you should apply the product on bone dry hair, because it's a matte cream. You're looking for that matte finish, so I think it's very important that everything is included in the instruction, directions, or all that stuff, you know, whether it's a simple thing or, you know, you probably get my point. Yeah, so aside from that, watch this. There you go. What do you think about that? And as you can see, I have a different hairstyle on that video and this one, because I recorded it prior to this recording. So that one, I just want to showcase how you know, the finish looks like. So it's pretty matte finish. And here I was trying to get that high volume, high texture. So as you can see, yeah, it does have high volume and high texture. No, not really. Okay, we can do that. Yeah, high volume and high volume and high texture. Oh crap. So there you go. At least you have two hairstyles with the same product in this video, and great, I pulled that off. So anyway, what I think about the product, I think it's great if you have thin hair or fine hair, if you wanna, you know, get that kind of impression that you have thick hair. So that matte finish like gives you a little bit of structure or definition or thickness, you know, because the light just passes through. There's no reflection, except if you have thick hair. So with matte finish, it looks even more thicker, like what you see with my hair right here. The product felt light on the head. It doesn't weigh down your hair, so you get a decent amount of volume and texture. And like I've said, it should be applied on bone dry hair. But if you want a little bit of shine, which I think is I think doesn't make sense because it's a matte cream. So okay, if you want a little bit of shine, you can add it on a slightly damp hair or damp hair if you prefer. But if not, you should probably get this one or this one. And moving on, what I like and I don't like about the product. Okay, let's see. I can't really say that there's something that I don't like about the product. It's much more of a concern or little things I noticed. It's like I've said in the instructions, it should indicate that it is recommended to apply the product on bone dry hair. Because it's a matte cream, it is expected to get matte result. Probably with the design feature, I think they could have opted for a iron throne instead of a wooden throne, because it's metal wrapped. or steampunk kind of design with some gauges and iron bars and gears and whatnot. If you're familiar with Lockhart's what do you call this, water-based gun grease, you know, that's that chrome or metallic type of stick-on label. Maybe added some chrome details or metallic, you know, stuff like that, and it could have been better, but that's just my opinion, don't get me wrong, okay? And still credits to the artist. Anyway, moving on, what I like about the product is scoop out is buttery smooth, spreadability creamy, it's not greasy nor tacky. Application and styling, no tugging and pulling, combing, it's pretty easy, it just glides through. The scent, it's pretty nice. I hope they get they make a perfume out of it. Control is pretty much there. Very high control, high volume, high texture, matte finish if you're into that. And the endurance with this thing, I say it's pretty good. But if you have a hair like mine, once it's already set, then don't touch it. But since this product has a very good control, then you're good to go. There's no need to worry. It goes from average to above average, approximately like, let's say 5 to 8 hours on a good day. And the washout with this product is pretty self-explanatory. It's water based, so water will do, water will suffice. But in my case, I needed a few rounds of shampoo, 1 or 2, to get rid of all the product on my hair. And after getting out of the shower, the scent still lingers. It's quite distinct, you know, you can really smell it on top of the shampoo that you use. Price, I think for some it's kind of steep, but I think for me, in my opinion, the best thing I can say about it is it's worth it. I've tried it, I've tested it, I'm wearing it for a straight week already, and all I can say is you really get a bang for your buck. And for a firm hold, I didn't think that this product is gonna be actually pretty good. I can say that the product is user friendly, and you know, 2 heads are better than 1. They really pulled this one off, the Supreme entity. They set the bar high, and anyone who can top this off, I'd be pretty impressed. And I just want to say this probably is the best matte cream or dry paste that I've tried so far. Like I don't know, I can't explain it. It's just that good. And I probably emptied the tub without me even noticing it. It's just a matter of time. Yeah, that's the good thing is the product is pretty good. Yeah. I'll tell you that. I can attest to that. But the sad thing is it's only a limited edition. So if you haven't got one yet, what? Get yours now. They're probably sold out once this video goes live. But don't worry, I'll just leave the link in the description box down below of the official resellers. So I think that's it for my review of El Supremo and NTT pomades, this year's collaboration, year 2020, year of the rat. And I have no more words to say. I think I've covered it all, and all I can say is that you don't want to miss on this chance. And if you're wondering, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and turn on that post notification for the freshest videos every time I get to upload one. So I think that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next episode. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date. I'm Luigi, and you're watching Trickshot Stuff.